In this video we will solve exercise 5a. First question. First find 6 multiple of each of these numbers and then find the common multiples. Finally find the LCM. This question you have to do in book only. First numbers are given, then common multiples, then LCM. I will show you the C part, 3, 6. Now as you can see, C part 3, 6. First we have to find the first 6 multiple. So I multiply with the first 6 number. First we multiply 3, then we multiply 6. Multiples are very easy if you know the table. 3 ones are 3. You have to write the table. Then I will write multiple of 3 and multiple of 6. For 3 I have this 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Same as for 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. Now we have to find the common. For common multiple you have to check from these which are common. Is 3 common? No. Is 6 common? Yes. So first one is 6. Same for 9? No. Then 12 is common. 15? No. Then 18 is common. So we have 3 common multiples. Now LCM means lowest common multiple. These 3 are common. Lowest means जिसकी smaller value होगी. So 6 is the smallest one. So 6 is the LCM. As you can see, common multiple 6, 12, 18. I write here common multiple 6, 12, 18. Then LCM is 6. So I write here 6. So you have to complete all the 4 part. Second question, we have to find LCM with the help of number line. I already sent a video similar to this question. Exact same question is not there. The numbers are changed, but the method is same. So first watch the video, then complete the second question. Then third is, these numbers have already been factorized for you. Find the LCM of the pair given. So I will solve the D1, 16, 10. The factor of 16 is also given here and factor of 10 is given. So 16, 10. We have to find LCM in third question. Two numbers 16 and 10. Factor of 16 given, I write here. Factor of 10 is given, I write here. Now check the how many pairs you can make. In this case we can only make one pair of 2. So for pair you have to write only 1. Then write the remaining number. What is left for 16? 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. What is left for 10? 5. This will be your LCM. Again, for pair, first you have to find the pairs. For both number, there is only one pair of 2. So for pair, we write only one time. Then the remaining 3 2's are left. I write 3 2's. Then for 10, 5 is left. I write 5. Then multiply. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 5's are 80. So 80 is your LCM or your answer. Now the fourth one, we have to find the LCM of these numbers using prime factorization. So in this we have to find the LCM, but first of all we have to factorize them. In third question factors are given, but in this question you have to find factor, then rest of the answer will be same, method will be same. I will solve the F1, 18, 32. We have two numbers given, 18 and 32. First we will find the factor of 18. So we will start with 2. I will write the factor with blue marker. So 2 9s are 18. Then again we will check it is divisible by 2. No, then we will use 3. 3 3s are 9. Again we will use again 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Same we will find for 32. First we will use table of 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 remainder. We will take 2 down. 12. 2 6 are 12. Here will come 16. Again 16 is divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now we will write the factor of 32. This one, 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 multiply 2, not comma, you have to put multiply. Same for 18. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now find out pair how many you can make. We can only make one, this of 2. Now this is same as the third question. If you have one pair, you will only write one time. Then your LCM will be their multiplication. For pair, we will write 1 multiply how many left? 1 2 3 4. Clear? This one done. Then 2 3s are also left. So same here. I have no space, so I will write down. Now for multiplication, check how many numbers are, how many 2's are there. 1 2 3 4 5. Clear? Then multiply. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16. 16 2's are 32. I write 32 multiply. 3 3's are 9. Clear? Then you can solve by this method. 9 2's are 18. 8. 2 carry. 9 3's are 27. 28. 29. Again 9 2's are 18. 8 carry will be 1. 9 3's are 27 plus 1, 27 plus 1 28. So this will be your answer, 288, your LCM.